Excuse me, miss. Could you help me find the way to the museum? I'm kind of lost.
Sure, no problem. Which museum are you looking for? There are a few around here.
The one with the dinosaur skeletons. I think it's the Natural History Museum.
Ah, the Natural History Museum. You're in for a treat. It's one of my favorites. So, you need to head straight down this street until you see a big fountain. You can't miss it.
A fountain? Got it. Then what?
Take a left at the fountain, and you'll see a park. Walk through the park, and the museum will be on the other side. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Wow, that sounds easy enough. Thanks. You must be a local expert.
I guess you could say that. I've lived here all my life. Do you like dinosaurs?
I love them. I used to dream about being a paleontologist when I was a kid. What about you?
Me too. I was obsessed with dinosaurs. I even had a pet rock I named Dino.
A pet rock named Dino? That's awesome. I had a toy T-Rex I took everywhere with me. By the way, do you know if the museum has any special exhibits right now?
Actually, yes. They have a new exhibit on prehistoric sea creatures. It's supposed to be amazing.
Prehistoric sea creatures? That sounds cool. Did you know that some of those creatures could grow as long as a bus?
No way. That's huge. Imagine seeing one of those in real life.
I'd probably run for my life. Laughs. Speaking of big things, do you know why dinosaurs never got to see the ocean?
No, why?
Because they all lived in the past to sea.
That's a good one. I've got one for you too. Why can't you hear a pterodactyl go to the bathroom?
I don't know. Why?
Because the P is silent.
That's hilarious. Thanks for the directions and the laughs. I'd better get going before the museum closes.
Anytime. Enjoy the museum. And if you need more help, just look for a local. We don't bite.
I'll remember that. Have a great day, Lily.
You too, Tom. Have fun with the dinosaurs.
Hey Lily, wait. One more thing. Do you know any good places to eat around here? I'm getting hungry just thinking about those giant prehistoric creatures.
Sure thing, Tom. There's a fantastic burger place just a couple of blocks from the museum. It's called Dino's Diner. Pretty fitting, right?
That sounds perfect. What's your favorite thing to get there?
Definitely their Bronto burger. It's huge and delicious. They also have a fun Dino-themed menu.
A Bronto burger? Count me in. I'm definitely checking that out after the museum. Thanks again, Lily.
No problem. Oh, and if you're into sweets, there's an amazing ice cream parlor next to Dino's Diner. They have the best flavors.
Sweet. Ice cream sounds like the perfect dessert. You really know all the best spots.
Just sharing the local secrets. Have a blast today, Tom. And if you get lost again, you know where to find me.
I'll keep that in mind. See you around, Lily.
Bye, Tom. Enjoy your Dino adventure.
Thanks, I will.
Oh, Tom. One last Dino joke for the road. What do you call a dinosaur with an extensive vocabulary?
I'm stumped. What?
A thesaurus.
That's a good one. Bye, Lily.
Bye, Tom.